So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go to the snack house. Hopefully she's here. Cause baby, if she is, good, I'm finna to go. But not, I don't know. Hope she here. Hope she here. Please be here. Please be here, lady. Please be here, miss. Miss, please be here. Hola. ¿Cómo está? Bien. Muchas gracias. But yeah, I'm supposed to go. Hopefully, please, just be here. Just be here. Look at that big ass brick. They know that damn apartment people gonna need that big ass brick. Please be here like that. Please be here. Come on, be here. Okay. There she is too. Now, if I lose my weight, the weight that I want, then he actually speaking Spanish. The little black little. Like, you actually speaking Spanish? That's shocking. But what can you expect? The only way a black person can live over here is if you speak Spanish.
You're gonna buy something?
Yeah.
You can buy.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
No, what? ¿La puedo atender a ella primero? You can go first.
Yeah, you sure? Gracias. Hola. Dos naranja cookies.
Wait.
¿Algo más?
Y una coca.
¿Se te está tirando algo?
Quiero un churro grande. ¿No quieres así?
¿Qué más?
No más.
2.50.
No, el otro taxi. You doing a video?
Oh, it just went to it. That's your dime? That's your dime?
No.
2.50 y se me cayó. 2.50 y 2.55.
Muchas gracias.
A ver,
Okay, y'all. I don't know what was going on. So she was like, yeah. Did you know she speaks Spanish? Like, Paquito babies. Paquitos. Should have held it like this. Hi. Pretty, yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Right up there. Like, baby. That little black boy speaks Spanish. What? Like, nothing but. That's how you can hang out with them and understand what they say. Mucho frío? Or mucho hot? Sí. But yeah, I'm supposed to take my ass back into the house. Whew. I should go back one more time, but I don't know about that. Sequence. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.